Smile for the camera, Sink.
Hi, baby girl. Hi. You gonna come out? Oh.
Oh, yay.
Okay. Well.
Need a hand?
No. I'm gonna have Chris help. Hopefully. Oh.
Should I continue filming?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Kind of figured.
No. Okay. No, I need you to get the other end done. Like, quickly. Please. Off of me. Ow.
That hurt.
Okay. Okay. All right. I need you to unwrap her from my shoulder, please. Okay. Get her off. Nope. So this is why you have two people. Can we see if we can get her off of my arm?
What did you do?
Okay. Her wrapping my leg isn't as so get the snake hook and see if you can get it like inside her. No, don't pull her that way. No, honey, you need to get underneath her finger or her teeth. Yes. See if you can get her too. Here we go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh! All right. So,
Whee, look
Fucking
at that
A.
bud.
let's get.
Want me to stop filming and help you?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, my people, if you see me for the first time, my name is MC Eberman, aka the Whatever Master. See, when I see this life, not be everything, not be every animal that they do pets. You get domestic animal and still get animal be say they stay. We be say not be domestic animal. We be say they be wild animal. This thing come out with Oyibo people. They won't use every wild animal as a domestic animal. Why somebody will go bush, you go carry lion, cause they come put for ash, make it stay with you. You use them as pets. See this woman, I see snake now. They train snake. Fine, the snake feel know you, get eyes to see you. Say now you be the owner. But one day it will still behave like snake. No matter how you try to make them to get feeling like human being, to get calm like human. One day it will still behave like the animal will be say it be. Just look at this woman now. See the snake bite the woman, see blood they come out. That is the problem with Oyibo people. Not be all animals they use as pets. If that man not there to rescue you, go suppose that snake will kill that woman. Animal go one day behave like animal. If like make you try to make her you want turn out to human being, make they live for the same house with you, you go behave like animal. We don't hear of story where we say man they train lion. So that they take that same lion and kill the man. They say lion with the gift food they play together. One day that wildness one thing as an animal, that thing will enter your head one day. You know, will see you as the owner again. So this is too bad. You get domestic animal, cat, all this cat, dog, and all these things. Not be every animal. You will carry boa, you carry lion, carry tiger, so you won't use as pets. Fine, you know you, one day they come, he go deny you. I just pity this woman. It's not a lesson, very bad, it's not good. Okay, don't forget to like my page on Facebook and please do subscribe on YouTube. Just type Give the World the Truth, you will see a lot of video and touch the red button to subscribe and notification button. When there's I upload the video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, please, don't stay out of trouble till I come your way again.